Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into an interesting problem that can arise when setting up spinlocks in Linux kernel modules. The problem we're tackling here is whether it's allowed and safe to use spinlocks without any dynamic allocations, just with on the stack space. This can be a crucial consideration, especially if you plan to export or pass these spinlocks to other kernel code. Let's see what the solution to this problem looks like. When it comes to setting up spinlocks in the kernel without dynamic allocations, the solution is quite simple. You can declare a spinlock variable directly on the stack using the code snippet provided. By declaring spin_lock_t_my_lock, and then initializing it with spin_lock_init and my_lock, you can effectively set up a spinlock without the need for dynamic memory allocation. This approach can be a handy way to manage spinlocks, but it's essential to keep in mind the implications of sharing these stack-based spinlocks with other concurrent pieces of code. In summary, we've explored a fascinating problem related to setting up spinlocks in Linux kernel modules. By utilizing stack space and initializing spinlocks directly, you can avoid the need for dynamic memory allocation. However, it's crucial to be cautious when sharing these spinlocks with other parts of the kernel code that may run concurrently. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe for more tech content, smash that like button, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any kernel module adventures you've had. Until next time,